Okay guys, so welcome back to the channel guys. This is the first video of 2019 and the date today is Sunday the 5th of May. Yeah, we haven't done so well so far this year. I still have been creating. I've been creating more than ever. I've been filming so much stuff, I've gone on so many trips, doing so many things for college and just other bits, but I haven't really been putting any of it out. I've sort of been learning a lot as well. I've learned so much about using cameras in like the last 4 months. But anyway guys, today's video, now that I've explained where I've been, why I haven't been here, today's video. So I was down the beach with my friends. I was just taking the drone around, getting some nice shots. So I filmed some shots, they're all looking good. On the way back, because I flew my drone around a bit, I still kept it in line of sight. I just flew it quite far away. On the way back, I noticed these black figures. They were all dressed in black, or at least it looked that way on camera. They started chucking rocks at it. So I stopped and I realised my SD card was full. So I began recording to the SD card cache, and that's why the quality isn't very good. As you can see, there we go, 2 of them. You can actually see one of the rocks fly in the sky. I still sort of move my drone up a bit because obviously I don't want a rock to come and hit it. It could break a propeller. So yes guys, spoiler alert, my drone did not fall out of the sky. I don't think it would have even been close to falling out of the sky. These guys were pretty terrible at throwing. We're not too far away. We're just up the beach past all these big rocks on the other side. And we could just see them throwing the rocks. I'm pretty sure they knew that we're flying the drone as well. I had this great big controller with me the whole time, and they were just, I just don't understand why. That's why I'm making this video. Was it my fault? Am I flying too close there? I'm pretty sure I'm far away and I was flying past anyway, but I thought I'd stop and film them. There we go, another one's chucking a rock. It's just, like, what are they doing it? Have they got nothing else better to do in their life than to just chuck rocks at my drone? It's just like, yeah, why are these guys doing this? So at this point, I'll happily admit I probably should have flown off. They probably don't want me there if they're chucking rocks at me. But a couple of them are egging me on, and you can see that guy down there. Look, he's all sneaky. He's actually camouflaged. Now I didn't really notice this guy at first, but he's kind of sneaking along, trying to chuck rocks. Look, he's got a few in his hand. He does a little multiple fire there. You can see the rocks on the video, but none of them are coming anywhere near close enough. Luckily, no one was hurt, and my drone is still fine. But yeah, I thought I'd just share it with you guys. It sort of makes me think, like, was I doing the wrong thing? I definitely should have gone earlier. I know that, but at the same time, I've got to try and get some content for you guys. But yeah, I thought I'd just share that with you guys. And yeah, it's making me feel a bit uneasy watching this as well, because they just keep going. They keep trying. And because they keep trying so hard, I thought I'd give them a little bit of a second of good feeling. So what I did was I just hovered my drone and then waited until one of them threw it, and then I started doing this thing where I dropped the drone and just spiral out of the sky. So yeah, they would have thought for a second that they hit it, but they didn't, because it's still flying. So yeah, I completely understand that I was flying into these guys' like zone, you know, I should have gone earlier, but they were throwing rocks at it just as it was flying past anyway to begin with. It's not like I was hovering it there just intentionally filming them for like 5 minutes and they were trying to get rid of me. They'd seen it coming along the coastline, because I was filming all the way up here, and then I was just on my way back and they chucked one at it, and they probably thought it was funny, so I started filming them. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.